respiration to produce ATP. But let's think, isn't it strange that we used ATP in the glycolysis at the start of the reaction? Actually, glycolysis has ATP, and that's very strange. As I said, ATP is just used to make the glucose more reactive just at the start of the reaction. So when oxygen is actually available, the pyruvate will enter the mitochondrial matrix and the aerobic respiration will continue. So how this can happen? How can this actually happen? It uses active transport to move across the mitochondria, or let's say before that, it will move across the double membrane within the mitochondria. To do this, it requires a small amount of ATP and transport protein. Pyruvate will take a reaction or will take place in the link reaction once it's in the mitochondrial matrix. So this link reaction that we just explained takes place in the mitochondria. And where in the mitochondria? It's actually in the mitochondria matrix. The reason behind why we call it link reaction, because it links the glycolysis to the Krebs cycle. So now we have two steps for this reaction. First step, the decarboxylation and the dehydrogenation of the pyruvate by the enzymes will actually produce an acetyl group. Second of all, the combination of coenzyme A will actually form CoA, or let's say acetyl CoA. So at the end, it will produce only three things: carbon dioxide and reduced NAD, and the last thing, acetyl CoA. Thank you all for watching, and thank you for listening.